Hello, dear gardening friends. Today I am excited to share some delightful garden decor ideas with you. With over 10 years of gardening experience, I have discovered that creating your own garden decor can add a personal touch and a sense of accomplishment to your garden. Let's dive into some creative and easy to make decor ideas that will make your garden truly special. Why choose dye decor garden? Dye garden decor is a wonderful way to personalize your outdoor space. It adds unique charm. Handmade decor pieces are unique and cannot be found in stores. It saves money. Creating your own decor is often cheaper than buying it. It reflects your personality. Your creation showcases some style and creativity. It is fun and rewarding. Making your own decor is a fulfilling and enjoyable activity. Planning your garden decor. Before starting any project, it is important to plan. Here are some steps to help you get started. Choose a theme. Decide on a theme for your garden decor. This could be anything from rustic and vintage to modern and colorful. Gather materials. Collect the material you will need. Look around your home for items that can be repurposed or visit a local craft store. Set up a workspace. Find a comfortable space where you can work on your project without interrupting. Creative dye garden decor ideas. Here are some charming and easy dye garden decor ideas to inspire you. Painted rocks. Painted rocks is a simple and fun project. Collect smooth, flat rocks and paint them with bright colors and patterns. You can also write inspirational messages on them. Place them rocks around your garden to add pops of color and positivity. Homemade bird feeders. Create bird feeders using recycled material like plastic bottles, milk cartons, or teacups. Cut opening in the container, fill them with bird seeds, and hang them from tree branches. This not only decor your garden but also attracts lovely birds. Mason jar lanterns. Mason jar lanterns add a magical touch to your garden. Place some candles or fairy tale lights inside mason jar and hang them from tree branches or place them along pathways. These lanterns create a warm and inviting atmosphere in the evening. Garden signs. Make personalized garden signs using wooden boards or old planks. Paint the wood with weather-resistant paint and write the name of your plants, inspirational quotes, or simply "Welcome to my garden." Place these signs throughout your garden for a charming touch. Upcycling planters. Turn everyday items into unique planters. Use old boots, teapots, or tin cans as planters for your flowers and herbs. These upcycled plants add a whimsical and creative element to your garden. Wind chimes. Create wind chimes using items like old keys, silver wires, or seashells. Attach them items into a piece of driftwood or a sturdy branch with strings or fishing line. Hang the wind chimes in the spot where they can catch the breeze and produce lovely sound. Fairy garden. Fairy gardens are miniature gardens that create a magical scene. Use a shallow container or an old wheelbarrow as the base. Plant small plants and add tiny decorations like fairy houses, miniature furniture, and little pathways. These gardens are perfect for adding a touch of whimsy. Tips for successful diet garden decor. Use weather resistant materials. Choose material that can withstand the elements to ensure your decor lasts. Seal your creations. Apply a clear sealant to painted items to protect from rain and sun damage. Get the family involved. Involve family members, especially kids, in your projects. It is a fun way to spend time together and create lasting memories. Stay safe. Use appropriate safety gears like gloves and goggles when working with tools and paints. Personal touches and stories. In my garden, I have created several dyed decor pieces that hold special memories. One of my favorite is a bird feeder made from an old teacup and saucer. It belongs to my grandmother and now it brings birds to my garden. Reminder me of her every day. Another cherished piece of a painted rock with a sunflower created by my granddaughter using during one of our gardening season. These personal touches make my garden feel like home. So here is my final thoughts. The garden decor is a wonderful way to add personality, charm, and warmth to your outdoor spaces. By using everyday items and a bit of creativity, you can transform your garden into a unique and inviting heaven. Remember, the joy of gardening comes not only from the plants you grow but also from the beautiful surroundings you create. Happy gardening!